Yeah, so over the week, the media has been on fire following Alhaji Wasiu Ayinde'S choice of lexical item, Ganusi. So it generated a lot of controversies and, of course, backlash. Some labeling Alhaji as, incorrigible, irrepressible, and arrogant. Then there are some set of people saying, Ganusi is a normal statement, Joe, Alhaji ò mean ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn náà.
àwọn àfáà wọn rí bẹ́ẹ̀ nílé bàbá mi ń fìdí pọ̀tẹ́ àwọn àfáà wọn lọ́bẹ̀ ìbínú gbogbo wọn wá ṣe kí ni wọn wá Ganusi.
This is from a linguistic perspective. I need to be very candid. Actually, there is no pragmatic interpretation to what Alhaji said. The semantic interpretation is that the Alfas are converters, they are longer throats, they are mo branch.
Yẹn àwọn àfáà wọn rí bẹ́ẹ̀ nílé bàbá mi ń fìdí pọ̀tẹ́ àwọn àfáà wọn lọ́bẹ̀ ìbínú gbogbo wọn wá ṣe kí ni wọn wá Ganusi.
So if you would ask me, I would say Alhaji is not wrong for referring to their Alfas as being converters and longer throats. That's because everyone is entitled to their various opinions. Ṣẹ́ẹ̀rí kò sẹ́ni tí èwu àbàjẹ́ bí lè bá dá. Ẹni tọ́lọ́run bá bá pa tiẹ̀ mọ́ ilé yẹn rí. There are some opinions that I might hold against you, but probably due to the love I have for you or due to fear, I might not be able to tell you to your face. My concern is that the person, that boy that recorded the video, I would say that boy is Alhaji's enemy because I watched the video very well. The boy was seen laughing in the video, so definitely he knows that Alhaji has missaid. I don't know if such word exists, but Alhaji fi ẹnu kò. So lẹ́yìn ìgbà tí Alhaji fi ẹsẹ̀ lẹ̀ tí wọ́n fi ẹnu kò, you went ahead to upload the video on social media because it's my opinion that Alhaji can never upload such video on social media. You uploaded the video on social media bearing in mind that this person in question is a public figure. That being said, on the day of the funeral, the Mufti of Yoruba land, Sheikh Farouk Onikijipa, informed Alhaji to apologize, to apply a face-saving act by simply saying sorry because the Alfas felt their face had been threatened by that statement. Àwọn àfáà máa ganu wá sí ọ̀dọ̀ mi. Then Alhaji declined. Then after Alhaji's refusal to apologize, then the uproar started. Wasiu onígbéraga, ó ti nígbéraga ju Òṣùpá lọ́kọ yẹ kíníkan ṣe mọ̀ pé yọ̀yọ̀ lẹ́nu aráyé. So it is my own belief that Alhaji felt his own face had been threatened too, because telling someone to stand up and apologize before array of individuals, to some people, it's kind of belittling, especially to a man of his own caliber. He's the Mayegun of Yoruba land. So probably I felt Alhaji was like, èmi Mayegun, èmi tó jẹ́ pé ìyá mi ṣe kí n wá mọ̀ dìde, kí n wá mọ̀ bẹ̀bẹ̀ ní nǹkan tó jẹ́ wípé bóyá èmi kọ́ mo upload ẹ̀. Now to the affairs. If you're too available for people, you tend to lose your respect. If you're too accessible, you tend to lose your respect. If Alhaji did not call you, why did you go? That aside, our model in Islam is Prophet Muhammad and he's a preacher of forgiveness. Tẹ́ ẹ bá wo orí social media, àti àgbàlagbà àfà, àti oyún inú àfà, àtàfẹ́ẹ̀dí àfà, gbogbo wọn pátápátá wọ́n ti gbé Wasiu ṣépè àṣejìrẹ́ tán. Why? No man is infallible. Kò sẹ́ni tí kò sẹ́ni tó lè wẹ̀ tó lè káyé já. If you're doing this on social media, what are you teaching your people? What are you teaching your followers? Like, I don't understand. So the deed has been done. Ọbẹ̀gọ́mọ lọ́wọ́ ọmọ sọ̀bẹ̀nù. Going further, I would advise Alhaji to apply the Levinson and Brown's face-saving act to solve all these brouhaha. The face-saving act is a communicative strategy that is used to mitigate threats to a person's social image by reducing embarrassment, conflict in interaction. Alhaji, you can apply the face-saving act by simply saying sorry. Ẹ̀yin àfà, mi ni ẹ bẹ́ẹ̀ bí mo ṣe mí ni ẹ lélẹ́yìí. Then that's all. Thank you so much. Bye for now.